This is a 2007 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 68,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.